Hi, this is John with Bank Account Bonus Central, and today's video is all about Chase. They have a $300 business checking account. This is available nationwide, plus some additional perks that is available for the Chase business checking account. So if you have a Chase business checking account and you want to learn about these perks, or if you don't have a Chase business checking account and you want to learn about how amazing this checking account is and how you can earn 300 bucks off this, then this is the right video for you. Before we jump into additional details, I do have a quick disclaimer. I am a customer of Chase. I am not affiliated by them. I am not endorsed by them. This is my own personal review for informational purposes only. All right, so jumping in, when was the last time your bank paid you to open an account? That's what this channel is all about. How much money am I talking about? $3 million. I have a $3 million challenge for the year 2023. I want to help at least 1,000 people make at least $3,000 off these videos in the year 2023. So if you can appreciate profitable content on a consistent basis, do me a favor, slap this video with a huge thumbs up. All right, moving along. So this is available nationwide, and it expires all the way next year, 2024. So February 1, 2024. This is something you definitely want to take advantage of. Why? Well, because Chase has the best business credit cards, and credit cards are an extension of a checking account. So, personal credit card is an extension of a personal checking account, and a business credit card is an extension of a business checking account. So, I made videos about the superpower of the Chase Ink Unlimited business card I never used until now. I got $2,300, over $2,300, just off this one card and the superpower from Chase. So if you're interested in learning about that, hit this link up here. I mean, 2,300 bucks off one card. Show you step by step how it works. That is huge. So here's my favorite card now, the Chase Ink Premier. It's got a $1,000 cash bonus for spending 10,000. It's like, well, spending 10,000 in 3 months is not hard if you're involved in the what I call the infinite loop. Um, this card has unlimited 2.5% cash back on purchases over 5,000 and 2% cash back on all other purchases. So that is huge. Annual fee is $195, but I've already made that multiple times, especially with a $1,000 sign up bonus. Ink Unlimited card has $750 cash back off of 6,000. I just showed you a link to a video off how that 750, well, actually it was 900 when I signed up for it. Now they kind of nerfed that deal, but I was still able to make over 2,300. Ink Cash, that's a huge profitable card. 750 after spending 6,000, and the Ink Preferred is 100,000 bonus points, which is $1,000 off of spending 15,000. That you can convert to 1,250 in travel, which is huge. It's got a 95 annual fee, but it's got some amazing perks. I've had all four of these cards. They're all awesome. So if you're interested in any of these ink cards, I definitely recommend using a referral link. Why? Because I've been with Chase for over 25 years now, and you want to be affiliated with somebody who's got a long history with them, and it definitely helps. I've never had a person get denied who has been fully qualified for these cards. So, new referral code if you're interested in any of those cards, which I definitely recommend. Churnadventures at gmail.com. You can hit the QR code, you can type that in, or hit it in the description box down below. All right, so I made a video talking about the infinite loop, talking about the problem with the new Apple Card. They had a 4.15% savings account. What's the problem with it? You only get 4.15%. I show you how to make a lot more off of the infinite loop. My goal off the infinite loop this year in 2023 is 21,000. So, yeah. Link to that video up here if that's something you're interested in learning about. It's crazy profitable. Next thing. So here is the Chase for Business. John has referred you. Open this page to, or use this page to open an account online. Then you can be rewarded. So get a $300 bonus. Open a new Chase Business checking account for new business customers. All right. So new customer means 24 months. You can become a new customer every 24 months with Chase, which is awesome. Chase taught me that they don't have value for loyal customers, but they absolutely do have value for new customers. So I was a customer with them for over 20 years. I saw an advertisement like this, $300 for checking bonus, and said, hey, what value, how do I get in? They said new customers. Like, well, I've been with y'all loyally for many years. You have any value for that? No, we don't. How do I become a new customer? Shut down your account, come back in 90 days. And that's literally how Chase showed me. They don't have value for loyal customers, but new customers, bam, $300. So receive your offer code now. Enter email address to receive the offer code, or you can open it online. If you open it online, it's going to automatically have it with you. So how do you get the $300 bonus? Link to this offer right here. You can screenshot this, type it into a new tab. You can hit the QR code, or you can always email me at churningadventures@gmail.com. I got all the links for you. This one's really nice. So here is how to get your $300 bonus from Chase. So number one, open a new Chase Business Complete checking account by presenting this offer at your local branch, or you can open it online. Two, fund minimum deposit of $2,000 in new money within 30 days after enrollment. You got to keep it there for 60 days. You got to do 5 debit card transactions. You can do 5 Amazon reloads for 50 cents. It doesn't matter. That's all it is. So within, and then your money's going to be deposited within 15 days. So that's huge. So debit card purchases, deposits, quick deposits, ACH credits, credits or debits, Chase Online, bill pay. Just use 5 transactions and snag $300. That's awesome. So what benefits are there? So it's more than a bank account. There's multiple ways to waive the service fees. I despise service fees, but Chase has made it real easy to avoid them. You can do payment processing and same day quick accept, so you can get money into your account. So different ways to waive your service fees. $2,000 minimum deposit. I don't feel that that's the best way to keep $2,000 because you don't earn any interest on that. Spend at least $2,000 on purchases with the Inc. business card. That's what I do. Receive $2,000 in deposits from quick accept transactions or other eligible merchant services solutions. Link a Chase private client checking account, or provide proof of military status, active or veteran. So shout out to Chase for taking care of the vets out there. So this was for my last statement right here. Here's your business activity determined if you're qualified for the monthly service fee waiver. And 2,000 chasing business card activity. I had last month 10,186. So meeting the 2,000 spend requirements was how I kept it fee free, and how I will keep it fee free using the infinite loop. You can accept fast payments through the Chase mobile app. No hidden fees or monthly contracts. 2.6% plus 10 cents for tap, dip, and swipe transactions. Excuse me. Or 3.5% plus 10 cents for manual transactions. So the 2.6% rate is really not bad at all for credit card processing. Quick accept, same day deposits, no additional cost. So that's pretty cool as well. Here is the fine print. Signers can receive only one new checking bonus every 2 years from last enrollment date, and one offer per account. So every 2 years, here's all the fine print. I basically went over that with you. Put in $2,000, hold it there for the 60 days, 5 debit card transactions, and you are good to go. Here is the additional benefit for Chase Business Checking, which is ACH Payments. So what that means is if you go to Chase for Business, you can go under the account tab, the pay and transfer tab, and you'll see payment options, ACH payment services, pay vendors and employees. So if you have a vendor or an employee that you need to send money to through Chase Business Checking Account, this is where you do that. So I have not enrolled in it yet. I have not needed it. But here's the details for it. The real time costs you 1%. So I don't think that's really worth it. Same day costs 1%, but standard ACH takes 1 to 2 business days. It's $2.50 excuse me, per transaction for your first 10 each month, and then it's 15 cents each. So if you need to pay somebody if you want to pay into a different account, then you can pay through the Chase business account and have it count as payroll. So there is that. That's a really neat feature, and that's really not expensive at all for ACH payments. So the math on this, $300 divided by 2,000, which you only need to keep there for 60 days, that's an instant 15% return on your $2,000. Power ranking this bonus, I do power rankings based upon math and not upon feelings. So $300 sign-up bonus is 3 points out of the 6 max. Your bonus speed is going to take a little bit of time, 1 to 2 months. So we'll call that 3 points. And then 15% return, that's 3 points. That's 9 points. That is a very solid B rating. But with Chase, with how amazing their credit cards are, I've gotten all the ink cards. And the lowest one gave me, I got 750, 900, 900, 1,000, and another 1,000. I mean, they're just throwing money at people to sign up for these cards, which is awesome. Bank account bonus central verdict. Chase was the bank that taught me about bank bonuses, and they are the best in regards to being able to collect new customer bonuses every 24 months. They just lay it straight out there. Here's how you do it. That's the rules, and they make it real easy to play. I definitely recommend this bonus. So if you're interested in getting a $300 checking account bonus, as I said, here's my referral link. Here's the QR code for it. Or you can always email me at churningadventures@gmail.com. I do appreciate all of y'all that have been emailing me. I got a few emails to reply to still today. All right, so I still have comments off for videos, but if you got any questions, comments, concerns, complaints, churningadventures@gmail.com, hit me up, and I'll get back to you fairly quickly. And today's question is anyone so bad they're beyond the reach of God? I've heard some people say, I'm too bad, God doesn't want me, I'm too messed up, whatever. Is that actually true? No, absolutely not. God saved me, and I've done plenty wrong in my life. So Romans 5:20 says, God's law was given so all people could see how sinful they are. You can't know if you're speeding unless there's a speed limit sign. So that's why there's speed limit signs out there, and that's what the commandments are in the Bible. But as people sin more, God's wonderful grace became more abundant. So you can't outgrace God. Well, does that mean you should never stop sinning because God's just going to provide grace? No. Well, should we keep on sinning so God can show us more and more of that wonderful grace? Of course not. Since we've died to sin, how can we continue to live in it? When Christ gives you new life, you don't want to sin. You want to be like He is. You become who you worship. And God is a holy God. He doesn't like sin. He wants us to live righteously. He wants us to love Him and love others. And sin is like the opposite of that. So just want to let you know that no matter what you've done in your life, you're not too bad for God. God is awesome. His grace, you can never be too bad for God's grace. Additional information about this is how to follow Jesus at godquestions.org. I got a link to that in the description box down below. And one thing that does keep us away from God is addictions. I want to see people be spiritually free. I want to see people be financially free. And when you're addicted to anything, one of the worst ones out there is online pornography. You can't live free when you're a slave to any sort of addiction. So Covenant Eyes is out there. It's a really cool resource. I am an affiliate of Covenant Eyes. If this is something that's been an issue in your life, check it out. Use my referral link in the description box down below. Get your first 30 days free. See if it'll benefit you. And with that, look forward to seeing, before we jump into all that. So if you're still here with me, definitely appreciate it. Like the video. If you appreciate profitable content, share this with anybody who would be able to benefit from it, and subscribe with bell notifications so you can be amongst the first to learn about these amazingly profitable stuff. I got more videos coming out this week, Friday and Saturday. Really cool, profitable stuff I'm looking forward to sharing with y'all. And with that, look forward to seeing the next one. Peace, and may God bless you.